In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a website on Cloudflare. Before we begin, a quick heads up on what this action actually does. Removing a site from Cloudflare disconnects it from Cloudflare's DNS, security, and performance services. That means features like the CDN, DDoS protection, firewall rules, and caching will stop applying to that domain once it's removed. If your domain's name servers still point to Cloudflare after removal, traffic won't route through Cloudflare's system, and you'll need to make sure your registrar and DNS are configured elsewhere. Having a record of your current DNS settings can be helpful later, just in case you need to rebuild them outside of Cloudflare. Let's get started. First, open your Cloudflare account by signing into the dashboard. Once you're in, you'll land on a page that lists all the domains connected to your account. Take a moment to identify the exact domain you want to remove. It's worth double-checking here, since the change you're about to make can affect live traffic. Click on that specific domain to open its dashboard. You'll be taken to the overview area for that domain. This is the central place where you can see status information and access settings. We're interested in the section that contains the deeper controls for the zone, which Cloudflare labels as advanced options or advanced actions depending on the interface version you're seeing. Scroll through the overview page and look for the advanced options section. It may be near the bottom of the page or in a panel on the right side. Inside that section, you'll find the option labeled Remove from Cloudflare or Remove Site from Cloudflare. That's the control you want. Click it to begin the removal process. When you do this, Cloudflare will proceed to detach the domain from its services. You may see an informational message explaining what will change. Read it carefully so you're clear on the effect this will have. After the removal completes, the domain will no longer appear in your list of active sites in the dashboard, and Cloudflare will stop proxying and managing DNS for it. From that point forward, requests to your site will follow whatever DNS and hosting configuration you have set up outside of Cloudflare. And that's it. You opened your Cloudflare account, selected the correct domain, navigated to advanced options, and used Remove from Cloudflare to delete the site from your account. If you're planning to manage the domain elsewhere, make sure your external DNS and hosting are ready so traffic continues smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you complete the task with confidence.